Introducing our international officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Adrian Tabanyag. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Stags of San Sebastian College. Wearing jersey number 12, Annalyn Joy Benito. At number 2, Janet Doria, guest player. With jersey number 3, guest player, Jill Gustilo. Wearing jersey number 4, guest player, Ruby De Leon. Jersey number 5, guest player, Lauren Ford. And their team captain, guest player, jersey number 7, Zheng Boli. Libero, jersey number 17, Jennifer Salgado. Head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayev. Introducing our air women from the Philippine Air Force. Wearing jersey number 4, Wendy Ann Semana. At number 9, Liza De Ramos. Wearing jersey number 10, Maria Teresa De La Rosa. Jersey number 3, guest player, Jennifer Manzano. Guest player with jersey number 13, Aiza Maizo. And game captain and guest player with jersey number 11, Cherry Rose Makatangay. Libero, number 2, Glenda Pintolo. Head coach, Mr. Ariel Dong de la Cruz. Good luck to both teams.
All right, on your screens, the lineup for Philippine Air Force. We have Manzano, Semana, De Ramos, De La Rosa, Makatangay, and Maizo, of course, headed by Coach Dong de la Cruz.
That's right, and again, this is the debut performance of the Philippine Air Force with this new format, the open conference of your Shakey's V-League, and we expect really, great performances from these veterans. And of course, you've got a beefed up lineup for the San Sebastian Lady Stags. Not only one guest player, but you've got 3 or 4 in that starting 6. So this is going to be a good one, folks. And this format will really bring the best of the best, at this level or at this stage here in the Shakey's V-League.
That's right, and well, actually, if we look back in the past, we've seen some of our some of the players in the military teams. We've already seen them as they were part of the PSC team.
That's right, PSC.
Before.
That was the national squad before, but Wendy Samana played for FEU, and Ruby De Leon for the side of the Lady Stags played for UST.
Jill Gostillo used to play for Adamson.
Cherry Makatangay, dug up by Gustillo. Good coverage by Salgado. Oh, that first point must have felt good for the Philippine Air Force.
Of course, we know that what this team wants is to get an early start ahead of San Sebastian. The last thing that you want is ikaw yung hahabol eh.
Oh, poor reception. Gustillo, normally a good receiver, but you've got Salgado over there. That should have gone to Salgado.
That's right. So it's important to actually communicate on who will get the ball.
Nice serve to Boali. Great play there from Doria Jeanette, also one of their guest players. Ruby De Leon with a serve. This one is long. Good coverage though. Let's see if they save it. Aiza Maizo, cross court to Gustillo. Wuli into the corner.
And it's that cross-court area that the Philippine Air Force cannot cover.
Wuli gets his set a bit far away from the net, able to avoid the block and get that point. It's 2-all here in set number 1 so far. We've seen a lot of good plays. Aiza Maizo with a block. Good blocking from Jing Buli.
Excellent timing there. Take a look at this. Single block there by Buli.
Ganda nung basa sa block. Nice serve for Ruby. De Ramos just tipping it over.
Oh,
That's a
good
good play.
pancake.
That's a good save from Wendy. Cherry with a block. Oh! Good play.
Good.
Okay, that was alive, but
Almost a good save there.
wow.
Look at the intensity just this early on in the game.
Let's look at this. Jing Buli, touch on the block. First touch. Let's even land. Oh, yes. Oh, Wendy, I thought got it clean.
Poor reception there.
But just, you're right, and the intensity of these girls.
We've only just begun.
I know. No warming up, no feeling out period.
Wala na diesel ngayon. Ano? Dire-diretso na.
Jing Buli. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's. Good serve from Cherry. One-handed set to Doria. Manzano tips it over. Another go at it, dug up by Benito. They go back to Jing. Off the block of Maizo.
Even if it would have gone behind the blockers, I think Wendy Antimano was still too far at the back.
Salgado getting a appreciation from the crowd after that good, start to this first set.
And also the crowd, of course, excited because Lauren Ford is now in the front line.
Gustillo. Oh! Pintolo, the libero, just watch that ball go past her. Let's have a look at it.
Seemed like an easy spike, actually, just well played
Ayun, oh.
down the line. At the corner, nobody was there.
Doria again with the serve this time into the net. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Coach Roger, of course, like what you said, with this beefed-up lineup, lagi naman si Coach Roger, pinaghahandaan talaga every conference. Oh! Ford with her first point here in the Shakey's V-League. 8-4, the Lady Stags with the lead.